If you're working a 9 to 5 and you're trying to build a side hustle after hours, your energy and time and focus are your most important assets. I work long shifts in the hospital, and after working all day on bright screens, I'd come home feeling absolutely drained. But this one simple Mac setting helped me protect my eyes, conserve my energy, keep me focused without overstimulating me before sleep. And it only takes 10 seconds to switch on. Here's the problem. After a full work day, you finally get home and sit down to work on your dream. But the harsh light from your screen makes your eyes ache, your brain foggy, and before you know it, you're distracted or calling it a night. Here's the solution. Dark mode on your Mac isn't just about looks. It reduces eye strain, cuts down on visual clutter, and helps your brain switch into deep work mode or flow state. It has become part of my nighttime routine when I'm working, and it helps me build after hours without feeling wrecked. Okay, so very simply, you go to the top left of your screen, you'll see the Apple icon. You click on that, go down to System Settings, and then from here you scroll down to Appearance, click on that, and at the very top you have the option between Light, Dark and Auto. So we're going to click on Dark. Auto actually can adjust depending on the time of day between light and dark, but for now we're just going to click on Dark. From here then we can just X out of that, and you'll notice I just brought up the email app here, which is in dark mode. It doesn't work with everything you see on your screen. It only works for Apple apps or softwares. For example, if we go to Safari here, you'll see that it's still in light mode. So you have to change that specifically on Safari and on Google Chrome. So I can do another video on that as well. When you work on your side hustle at night, you need every edge. And little rituals like this, little 1% add up. Dark mode becomes a cue. It tells your brain this is work time now, not scroll time. It protects your energy, keeps your environment focused, and helps you stay in the zone. Small changes like this can make a big difference when you're short on time and you're looking for small edges. I share practical ways to help you stay focused while you're building every week, and specifically for people who don't have a lot of time, who have 9 to 5s. So if you want to build your side hustle more productively, with more energy, then hit subscribe.